Today, friends, I got something to show you. These are hanger brackets. Let's talk about them. Alright folks, so these are hanger brackets and they are going to hold the joists that will make up the deck. So when you install these, what you want to do is have a block or something that you know is the same height as your joist. So maybe a cutoff of your joist material. Then you can get your layout, and we're on a 16-inch on-center layout. You're gonna I like to put one block in here, fasten one side with nails, and then leave the other one loose, so that way when you bring your joist in here, you don't have to fight if you got just a little bit too tight. You can leave one side loose, put it in there, and then when you put it in place, you can go ahead and bring that other side tight. You can bring that other side tight once that joist is in place. Then you can go ahead and nail it off. That joist is going to be nice and flush on the top there. Then these hangers have these little things on the side. They got these little deals right here that you can pound in to the wood and not have to use a nail right away. Then it holds it there for you, and you can go ahead and check it and put your nail in there. And then you want to nail in all these holes. These nails are hanger nails. They're specific nails for hanger brackets. So we'll check it. Looks real good. Make sure I'm on the line all the way up and down. So then when I go ahead and bring my joist in here, I'll be able to put it in here and then bring this other side up tight. I'll be able to set my joist in here, bring the other side up tight to it, nail these in here, pop that in there, and then nail it all off. Hey folks, thanks again for watching. Thanks for the view. I would suggest that you work hard, because hard work is its own reward, and try to better yourself today. Thanks for watching.